Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator on a Nissan Sentra. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Safety is key, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents electrical shorts. Next, locate the alternator on your engine, usually found on the lower front passenger side. It's often secured with 2 or 3 bolts. Now, let's get that old alternator out. Use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect all electrical connections, including the main power wire and the smaller connector. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets. You might need to wiggle it a bit to free it from the engine bay. With the old one out, it's time for the new alternator. Carefully slide the new unit into its mounting position. Reinstall the mounting bolts, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened. Next, reconnect the main power wire and the smaller electrical connector. Double-check that all connections are secure and properly seated before moving on to the next step. Almost done, carefully route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, making sure it's seated correctly, then release the tensioner. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and check your dashboard for any warning lights. Your new alternator should now be charging your battery effectively. For more great deals and to find those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.